friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this After Dark Clean with me. Tonight I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen, living room, laundry room, just kind of getting everything straightened out for the next day. I'm starting by cleaning up the laundry room and starting a load of laundry. I'm just going to do a quick wash on this so the kids have a few clean clothes in the morning. So I turned on the TV just for a little bit of background noise. I love watching the Great British Baking Show, especially the Christmas edition this time of year. It's just kind of one of those peaceful shows that you don't really have to pay that much attention to, and it's good background noise while you're cleaning. So I'm just starting with the kitchen area here, wiping down the countertops and the sink and just kind of getting it ready for tomorrow. I like to wipe down my counters first with a wet cloth, and then I spray it with some of the Thieves cleaner and give it a good scrub. Then for my sink, I spray it with these, then I sprinkle in some baking soda and make kind of a homemade soft scrub. Then I'm going to squirt a little bit of the Thieves dishwashing soap in the sink and let it sit there for a few minutes. Then I'll come back and scrub it all out and it's nice and clean. Next, I'm going to load up the dishwasher and get it started. I like starting my dishwasher at night, letting it run, and that way we wake up to clean dishes in the morning. Next up, I'm just going to give the floor a quick mop. Earlier in the day, I swept up the crumbs and even vacuumed. So now I'm just going to do a quick mop and get the floors clean. I really enjoy cleaning at night. There's just something so peaceful when it's dark out. The kids are asleep, and Jay happened to be traveling tonight, so it's just me and Penny, my dog, doing a little bit of cleaning and just kind of enjoying the quiet time. I As you can probably see, I have a lot of my Christmas decorations out, but I'm not quite done. So once I'm finished, I'll be doing a Christmas house tour video, and I can't wait to show you all the decorations. At night, I like to get the kids' lunch boxes ready. I'll give them a good wipe out and then pack what I can and put all the refrigerated stuff in the refrigerator. And then that way in the morning, I'll put all the cold stuff in and they are ready to go. Then I'm going to get my coffee maker ready and the timer set so I'll have some coffee in the morning. And this is my front room I wanted to show you real quick. I ended up taking all my office furniture out and we're going to make this into a sitting room, I think. I moved the office furniture downstairs. I got the laundry out of the dryer and now I'm just going to fold it up real quick and we will be ready for bed.